ठीक है। यस, फिजिकल क्वांटिटी मीन्स कैसे आप इसको एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, विच आर डिटेक्टिंग बाय आवर फाइव सेंसेस, like feel, touch, by nose, you can smell this type of thing. Okay. One of them, physical quantity, is mass, length. Another is time. After that, area, volume. All these are physical quantities. But these quantities in physics have very important role. Like in physics, we are studying about nature. You know very well, nature and natural phenomena. You know very well what is nature, how winter season, day and night arises. Okay, all these things you are studying in physics. But in physics, these are the basic terms which we have to study first. Okay, so one by one, we studied all these. We will study about all these physical quantities one by one, like column wise. Physical quantity. Second column, you have to make about their relation or formula, if any. Formula, if any. Then unit. And after that, new term is for you. You can say dimension. What? Dimension. Let us take first quantity mass. You know very well in ninth class you have studied about that mass. Mass is the term which is denoted by M or capital M. You can say M and capital M. Both in both of them you can use anyone for mass, like M is equal to 5 kg or M is equal to 5 kg. Like you know this thing very well. And this is a single quantity. No formula is there. Mass. So you have to take hyphen for that. And what are the unit of this term? Mass, gram, kilogram, milligram, quintal, ton. But you have to take the unit for calculating the mass is only kg. Only kg. Kilogram you have to take in this case. Because we follow the rule of MKS system in this. You know about MKS? What is MKS? MKS means meter, K means kilogram, and S means second. So you have to take the units of any quantity in these terms, meter, kilogram, and second. So mass have only one kind of thing there. This is kilogram. So you have to write kg. And another thing is that, like meter, kilogram, second, you have to use dimensions also. How? For meter, you have to take capital letter L in closed bracket, big bracket, square bracket, you can say. In square bracket, you have to take the capital letter L for meter. This is the dimension of length. M for meter here, not mass. K for kg. This represents length. This thing represents length. This thing represents length, mass, and S represents size. From this here, this M belongs to length, and this M is has the meaning meter. Here K is mass and belongs to kilogram, and S is here time and belongs to second. Now you have to use, instead of meter, capital L. for taking the dimension of this quantity like this. For kg, you have to take only L. Second thing, after that, length is there. Length, distance, radius, circumference. Every kind of unit quantity you can take in this. Length means you can use here distance, radius, diameter, circumference of circle, perimeter you can say of square and rectangles like things. Okay, all those are one dimension. You can use everything in this length. Length has, this is also a single quantity, single term quantity. So you have to take hyphen in the column of formula. After that, length. Let us see here. Length has unit meter. You have to write here meter. Length unit is meter. Okay, sorry. For mass, we have to take capital M, and for second, you have to, this thing is pending in this. For mass, we have to take capital M. Kilogram, no? You can see here kilogram. Kilogram replaces by capital M. If you want to convert unit to dimension, you have to take this thing. Kilogram with capital M, meter with L. So here the unit is meter in second case, and you have to take the dimension capital M. Are you getting my point? Okay. Now the third one is time. Okay. Time is also a single quantity. No other quantity depends on or affects these quantities. Okay. Individual, independent quantities. All these are independent quantities. And for time, we know that its unit is second. Small letter s, you can say. Small letter s. Or somewhere SEC we can also use, but small s sufficient for you. Like this, T is for s. It means time is equal to 4 seconds. Now, for second, we have to use capital T. In case of, if you want to convert this second, this unit into dimension. This unit into dimension. Now, one thing is more. All these quantities have no formula. Means all these three are independent quantities. So these type of physical quantities you have to classify by fundamental quantity. What is the another name of this quantity? All these are physical quantities, but have a separate special name for these three fundamental quantities. Please note it. Sorry. Now, after that, we will study about these physical quantities in terms of derived. In terms of derived. What is the meaning of derived? Derived units, derived quantities are those which are determining with the help of these physical quantities. Means when you use, fundamental quantities, one or two, or more than two, then the quantities which will arise are called derived quantities. But they are also physical quantities. Like counting, you can say we have counting 0 to 1, 0 to 9 only. And after that, 1010, 1111, or you can say 121, all these are arises from 0 to 9. So all these counting you can say after 9, all are derived. But 0 to 9 you can say fundamental of quantity. Okay, like this. Now these physical quantities now become derived quantity when we use more than one fundamental quantity. How? Look at this thing. Firstly, derived quantity, formula, next unit, and last one is dimension. Okay. Now take an example of area. You know very well about area. Area of rectangle, area of triangle, area of sphere, surface area, area of circle. All things you know. What is the general formula for it? Calculating area. In case of rectangle, you can take this here, length into breadth. Length into breadth. From this formula, we can calculate area. You know very well. And what are the units of area? You know also. But these units become comes from